Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. The last 2 weeks I've been showing you behind the scenes of one of my actual shoots. This week however I wanted to do something a bit different. Something for the parents. That's right, I'm going to show you how to shoot better pictures of your child. Camera phone, a DSLR or a shoot and point camera. These are just the basics, just to help you along your way. Tip number 1, shoot natural. Don't try to pose your child. I mean, you can ask them to do a pose for you, but don't force it. Because as soon as you force it, your child's just going to get uncomfortable and grumpy, and they're just not going to cooperate, and your whole session's going to be over before it even began. Rather think of things that your child likes to do. Let them play, let them be themselves, and capture those moments. Number 2, if you are going to try for poses, don't be afraid to get goofy and silly. You know as well as I do that children respond to people who act the way they do. Let your inhibitions go. Have fun. Play with your child while you're taking these pictures, and I can guarantee you, you will get gorgeous images. My next tip is to get down on their level, like literally. If you watched my previous 2 videos with the sitter session, you will see that I was flat on my bum, or on my tummy, or crawling around for that whole session. The reason we do this is so we are literally eye level with our children. This way, you can both see the world the way they see it, which is amazing, and also you capture them as the protagonist of their own story, which they are. They are the hero of their own story. My next tip is probably the most important one. Use natural light. Right now, I'm talking to you while I've got a huge open window on this side of me. This is natural light, no other lighting at all. The thing is, house lights tend to have a very yellow tinge to them, and as a matter of fact, most light bulbs have a color cast to them. Shoot natural light, you can't go wrong with it. So, stick your kid next to a window or take them outside under a shaded tree, and you will always have amazing photos. If you're shooting with a DSLR, you will know your aperture is how big or wide your lens is open. The more open it is, the more light it allows through. But it also creates a much more shallow depth of field, meaning your child's face will be in focus, but the background will be that beautiful, blurry, dreamy background. Now, most of you are parents who probably photograph your children with a smartphone more than anything else. And that's just perfect and fine. Because guess what? Most smartphones do give you the option to manually adjust your aperture. And if it doesn't, just look for the icon that looks like it's a square with a little face inside. That is your portrait mode. Portrait mode usually tends to give you a shallow depth of field. And that's it. That's all there is. So just remember those tips and tricks, and I can promise you, your photos will improve. So to recap, keep it natural, get down low, use natural light, and use wide aperture. And I can guarantee you, you will get images like this. And this. And this. And this. Thanks for watching, guys. And if you enjoyed this video, click the like button. Remember to subscribe for more content like this. And if there's anything you would like to see, let me know in the comment section below. And until next week, get out there, shoot, have fun, explore. Bye.